Okay, so hey, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you a story. So this channel you have been watching, thank you so much for watching it, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel, Carry and Tech, and I am Tito, so let me get started with this story. So my channel is totally based on these two devices right now. But before the Redmi Note 5 Pro, it was the only with the Redmi Note 3, and I still love this device, and I still try to do a lot of videos on this device and on the custom ROMs of this device, and I really like it. The variety of the custom ROMs available for Redmi Note 3 is insane, and the device is really fast. So in the past couple of days, a lot of you guys have been asking me, where are the Redmi Note 3 videos? All of you guys have been asking, and I have been saying there won't be no videos sometimes. I have been saying that it will be coming, please wait. So what's this all about, you may ask? So of course, let me tell you, you guys deserve to listen to the story. So here we go. So my mom have been using this device, the Redmi 1S. And yes, I did use it, and I gave it to my mom when I bought the Redmi Note 3. So my mom is using this Redmi 1S, and it was working quite fine. But as you guys know, if some of you guys have this device, you should already know the battery life on this device is really bad, but the cameras and stuff are really good. So my mom was using it, then the battery was just it couldn't even last 1 hour. So it just goes from 70% to 0% right away. It just turns off. So that is really bad. So I gave my mom this Redmi Note 3 over here. So my mom was using it, so I can't just take it from her and flash any other ROM. So you guys know that I am using the Redmi Note 5 Pro as my daily driver. So right now I thought that what should I do? So she never used a fresh phone. I always gave her the phones which I have already used. So right now I bought the Zenfone Max Pro M1 for 9,000 rupees for her, and in my opinion this is one of the best deals you can get. A Snapdragon 636 based phone for 9,000 rupees is just great. So let me just unbox it and show you guys. If you want to see the unboxing, stick around, I'll be right back. So right now I can give her this phone, and I need to get her a Geo SIM or something. So I'll just go out after the unboxing, and I'll be using this phone as soon as I get the Geo SIM working. So let me just do the unboxing now. Let me unbox the package and cut the wrap. So here we get the bill, and here is the box. So here is the Zenfone Max Pro M1's box. Yes, there is the Zenfone Max M2 and the Pro M2, but the Zenfone Max M2 costs almost 10,000 rupees, and it has the Snapdragon 632, not the 636. So I chose to go with this one, and that one has a notch, but I didn't want to go with the notch display for my mom, so I just went with simple. So the Zenfone Max Pro M1 is my best choice for 9,000 rupees. So let me unbox this, and of course I'm not gonna do the ROM videos on this phone. Of course this is gonna be a personal phone for my mom, so I'm not taking it back. And here it has some key specifications listed: 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 636, 6-inch full screen full view display. So let me cut this wrap over here. Here is the box. Here it says V Photo. So here we have the phone. I went with the blue color, and here is a quick look. So here is how it looks like. Pretty good. The metal body feels pretty good. So let me just power it up and set it aside. So it has some juice. Here it shows the Asus logo. So I'll just keep it over here while it's booting up, and we're gonna see some inside the box contents. So here we get some more stuff like this IMEI kind of sticker, and the In Search of Incredible Asus is like the user guide. And here we have the warranty information, of course. So I'll just keep it over here. And it does come with this case, which is pretty good in my opinion. As you can see, we have this like jelly case over here, and the quality is pretty good, and it is good that they are providing this case inside the box. So the fit of the case is pretty good, and this is how it looks like after fitting the case. And of course we have the headphone jack in the bottom, micro USB, and the speakers. And this is the primary mic, I guess. Fingerprint scanner, dual camera, and what's this? The secondary mic. So I'll just see what else is inside the box. So here is the good things. And as you can see, this is how the inside the box compartments looks like. And here we have this charger. This is the 5V 2 amp charger. I mean, the adapter is 5V and 2 amps. And here is the cable. Pretty basic micro USB cable, nothing special. And here we do get this like kind of thing which boosts the sound. This is the max boost of Asus, and you can just put the phone, like if you're watching a video or something, you can just put the phone like this and it should like boost the sound kind of. So pretty good stuff. So let me set all the things like aside and let me set up the phone and come back. So as you can see here, we already have an update over here. So I'll just update it, and of course I'll install the Google camera and stuff, because this phone like does support camera to API by just a command with fast boot. So that is a really good thing. And this is how the stock phone looks like. We have the Facebook apps and stuff is preloaded. There is the Asus calculator and some more apps. And this is how the stock camera looks like. Do not expect good quality pictures with the stock camera of this phone, but it is pretty good. I do not have any kind of like huge issues regarding this. But yeah, as you can see, the front camera looks like this. So not bad. So here it's asking me to update the system, so I'll just do it. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time I bring the Redmi Note 3 videos, please bear with me. So that is all I have to say about this video. Thank you so much for watching this like story kind of video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet down there. And if you're new here, hit the bell icon and subscribe button together. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.